Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview, including those to the I Am Sober app and its features, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the app. I Am Sober is a robust and helpful application designed to empower individuals navigating the path to sobriety, whether from substances like alcohol or drugs, or other addictive behaviors. It integrates motivational elements, community-based support, and practical tracking mechanisms to help users maintain accountability, commemorate milestones, and cultivate healthier habits over time. This app is a valuable resource for anyone striving to conquer addiction or preserve their sobriety with consistent, structured support. A central feature of I Am Sober is its daily pledge system, prompting users to reaffirm their commitment to sobriety each morning. This ritual reinforces personal objectives and sustains focus on the underlying reasons for maintaining sobriety. Furthermore, the app incorporates an intuitive tracking system that meticulously logs each day of sobriety and calculates the financial savings accrued by abstaining from the addictive behavior, offering tangible reinforcement of progress. The milestone celebration feature is another standout element, enabling users to acknowledge significant achievements in their recovery journey. This bolsters motivation and provides a sense of accomplishment, particularly during challenging times. The app also features a customizable sobriety clock that tracks progress down to the second, emphasizing the value of every moment free from addiction. A distinguishing characteristic of I Am Sober is its focus on community. The app connects users with a supportive network of individuals sharing similar experiences, fostering a safe environment for sharing stories, offering encouragement, and exchanging advice. This communal aspect can be particularly beneficial for those experiencing isolation or lacking a robust support system in their lives. For individuals seeking deeper self-reflection, the app offers a journaling section where users can chronicle their daily thoughts and emotions, pinpoint triggers, and formulate strategies for maintaining sobriety. It also delivers insightful daily motivations and affirmations to keep users inspired on their journey. Available on both iOS and Android platforms, I Am Sober provides free features with optional premium upgrades for enhanced tools and personalized experiences. If you're searching for a dependable and user-friendly app to bolster your sobriety journey, I Am Sober is an excellent option. Explore the links in the description to learn more and begin your journey today.